looking through clouds like sheets of paper in the sky. You look so tired and disillusioned. Still I know on a clear day I can see it in front of me, and I am no longer burdened by today. But on a clear day I can see it in front of me, and I am no longer burdened by today. I've been through hell and back again. It served me well, but in all creation is all that there is. Still I know on a clear day I can see it in front of me, and I am no longer burdened by today. But on a clear day I can see it in front of me, and I am no longer burdened by today. Like a ship that's sailing off to nowhere, like an ocean, like a sea, open waters, open doors. I can see a clear day is coming. How far off it is, I don't know. We deserve it. This